Welcome to the session Tree Traversal. Myself K. Sendil Vadivu, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology in Erode Sengundar Engineering College. In abstract data type, array, linked list, stack or queue, we can traverse the element by using only one order, means like sequential order. But in tree, we can traverse the element using different ways. A binary tree means tree having maximum of 2 children, means 0, 1 or 2 children. A node having 2 children, it means one as its left child and another one is its right child. That is called binary tree. Consider this example. A node A having 2 children, B as its left child and C as its right child. So consider any subtree D having 2 children, I as its left child and J as its right child. Tree traversal means visiting all the nodes in a tree in some order. Tree traversals are depth first traversals and breadth first traversals. There are 3 types in depth first traversals: in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and then post-order traversal. Pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal means first we have to visit the root node. After that we have to traverse on the left subtree of the root by calling recursive function. Then we traverse on the right subtree of the node by calling recursive function. So the order is first we have to visit the root, after that left child, after that right child. So consider this example. Now we are going to write the pre-order traversal for this tree. So start from the root node. The root is here A. So first write A. After that traverse on its left subtree. So it is another subtree. So here B is the root. Now we write B. After that traverse on the left side. So the left element is D. After completing left, we traverse on the right side E. So the left side of A is completely written in pre-order traversal. Now we have to write the right subtree of A. So in right side there is another subtree. First we have to write the root, that is C. After that its left child. After that is F. After that its right child G. So this is the pre-order traversal. From the name itself we can easily write the order. That is, pre means the root comes first. After that left and right child are visited. So this is a diagrammatic representation of pre-order traversal. Starts from A, B, D, E, A is already written, after that C, F and then G. N. Routine for pre-order traversal is it is a recursive routine because each subtree is considered as a separate tree, and then we write the pre-order traversal for that. So the recursive routine is after the tree becomes null, first we have to visit the root. Means we are just printing the root. After that we have to traverse on left. After that we have to traverse on right. So on the left and right are recursive calling of the function. Next is in-order traversal. In-order traversal. From the name itself, I already said we can easily identify where the root comes. First, we have to traverse on the left subtree. After that, we have to visit the root node. After that, we have to traverse on the right subtree. So the roots comes as the center, and the left and right comes as its precedor and successor. In-order traversal. So now we are going to write the in-order traversal for this tree. So in order means first we have to visit the left child. So consider from root, the left of root is B. Again we have a left for B, that is D. So we are going to write D first. After that, after visiting left, we are going to visit its root. That is, we are going to write its root. Next, left root, after that right, we are going to write the right element. So now the left subtree of A is totally written in order traversal. After that we have to write the root element. Then we are move on the right side. So C have left element while moving right, it is another subtree. So we have to visit the subtree in an order, left, root and then right. Here the left element of C is F, so we have to write F first. After that the root element C, after that the right element G. So this is the order have been written here. This is the in-order traversal of this tree. So this is the diagrammatic representation of in-order traversal. So please keep in mind, we are just write the mirror data directly, means just D from left to right, D, B, E, A, F, G and G. This is an easy way to write in-order traversal. Then routine. So it is also recursive routine. So this is a function where we pausing the tree when if up to the tree not equal to null. First we are going to visit the left subtree by using the recursive called pre-order P of left. After that we are going to write the root of the tree, that is using printf statement. We are printing the statement. After that we are going to visit the right subtree by using the recursive called pre-order P of right. So this is simple routine and easy to remember also. Next is post-order traversal. Post-order, from the name itself, we are easily know the root comes at last. Post, last. Okay. The steps to traverse the tree in post order are: traverse the left subtree, after traverse on the right subtree, then visit the root at last. Post order traversal. So left, right and then root. So start from root. First we have to write the left subtree. So left subtree, go on left side. We are again having a left element, so go on here. First write D. After writing left, we have to write the right child. So B's right child is E. So we have already written left. After that right, then we have to write the root. This subtree completes. After that, we are totally complete the left subtree of root A. After that, we have to visit the right subtree. So in right side, first we have to write the left element of the subtree. So C has the left F, then right F. Then after writing left, we have to write the right element of C, that is G. After that, we have to write the C. So D, E, B, F, G, C. So we have completed the left tree. Now we have completed the right subtree. Then finally we are going to write the root node, that is A. This is the post order traversal of the tree. So for a simple identification, we are just pluck out the leaf node first, left side. After plugging this to next leaf node is B. After that, like, we have to plug out the leaf node. After that, this two we have to write C. Level by level, we are means left side. We are level by level. We are just plugging and writing the nodes from left to right. After that, finally A. It's a simple way writing of post order traversal. So the routine of post order traversal or this is a function post order that has an argument P as its string up to the tree value not equal to null. First visit left subtree of tree. After that, visiting the right side tree of tree. After that, visiting the root of the tree. So that's all about depth first traversal. So in order, pre-order and post-order traversals. Next is breadth first traversal. Breadth first traversal means we are writing the tree in an array format, like array format. It means level by level format. It is also called level order traversal. So we have to mark each level. Traverse from first level A. After that, write on next level BC. After that, the next level D, E, F and G. So level order traversal or breadth first traversal means we have to write the values as levels from left to right. Thank you.